So this is a copy of your response sheet for this week. What you need to do is identify 4 things you're really good at. And then you tell what made you good at it. An example might be, I speak Spanish really well. And how I got to speak Spanish really well is I lived in Mexico for 3.5 months. I practiced Spanish every day. I wrote it and I studied it. Okay, maybe here you play the drums really well. How did you get good at it? Well, I took lessons from Mr. Claver. Okay, and I practiced every day and I watched a famous drummer. And then over here, what else are you really good at? Well, I'm really great at riding my bike or a hoverboard. And the reason is because I went out every day on a hill and kept doing it until I stopped falling down. So in other words, you just need to come up with 4 things, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then tell how you became good at it. This says, I have trained my brain through practice. So practice is kind of a hint for you. Okay, good luck!